What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on BitNile holdings.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset in a strong downtrend for the long period of time. I have to say that from its recent swing high in February 2021, it lost about 92% of its value. And from its recent swing high on September 2021, it lost about 81%. So massive movement to the downside. And for now we have this reaction from the range of about 50 cents. And we have this movement for about, let me show to you, for about 100%. Definitely good movement with increasing volume. And I have to say that this price action is not the best one. Let me show you more thoroughly. It doesn't have enough information of this movement to the upside because it is a huge gap on the extended hours. Then it had a retracement and next tried to hit higher targets. And for now this asset is hovering at around 81 cents price point. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But first of all, let me show you some information from the fundamental standpoint. And let's start with the company profile. BitNile Holdings is a diversified holding company pursuing growth by acquiring undervalued businesses and disruptive technologies with a global impact. Through its wholly and majority-owned subsidiaries and strategic investments, the company owns and operates a data center at which it mines Bitcoin and provides mission-critical products that support a diverse range of industries, including defense, aerospace, industrial, automotive, telecommunications, medical, biopharma, and textiles. In addition, the company extends credit to select entrepreneurial business through a licensed lending subsidiary. So, and let's dive deep into their activity. On the street.com website we have this article and it shows more details in their activity. Bitcoin mining operations currently account for 63% of BitNile's revenues. But the company, which has a current market cap of $63 million, also has a data center and decentralized finance technology operations. In addition, BitNile's chairman and founder Milton Old is the CEO of Old Alliance, a company owned by BitNile that together manages 5 subsidiaries. On the Old Alliance side, the company owns Gresham Worldwide in the military and defense segment, digital power and turn on green in the power supply and EV charging business, and Agree in the real estate segment. On BitNile's side, the company owns Alliance Cloud Services, a subsidiary that drives 70% of its crypto mining service. Recently, NILE shares soared 64% after the company announced that one of its subsidiaries, Turn on Green, had entered into a security purchase agreement with the Imperials Holding Corporation. The announcement excited investors because they will receive a dividend on Turn on Green's securities. And let me show you this press release on March 21st. On their official website, you can read this press release by yourself. And I have to say that it is quite excited for majority of retail investors, but you have to be very cautious because if you enter your position on the higher prices and if you miss the T+2 rule, and by the way, T+2 rule is very important rule when you want to receive any dividends. And in this case, you might lose a lot of your money, and that's why you have to be very cautious. So, and let me show you that for now, this asset has a huge support from retail communities. On the watcher section on stocktweets.com website, NILE is on the second place, right after the HYMC ticker symbol. And we don't have this ticker symbol on the most active section, and we don't have this ticker symbol on the trending section. And on appwisdom.io website, this asset is on the second place, and this means Wall Street Bets community pays a lot of attention to this asset, and it has for now 210 mentions and almost 2000 upvotes. So definitely the momentum might continue, but we have to have more details related to this company. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as I already mentioned, this asset has more than 63% of its revenues from Bitcoin mining. This means we have to compare the price action of this company with the Bitcoin price chart. And let me add the Bitcoin price action on this price chart. So I have to say that these two assets doesn't correlate very well. When Bitcoin moves higher from the end of July 2021 to the beginning of November 2021, the BitNile holdings moves sideways. And when Bitcoin started to lose its momentum and started to lose its value, the BitNile also started to move south. And for now, I have to say that this asset also doesn't correlate pretty well, and that's why we have to be cautious, because for now I have to say that Bitcoin is reaching its critical point. As you can see, this price point of roughly $45,000. If we will break it to the upside with the price action, definitely it will be more bullish signs for retail community to enter their positions. But if we will bounce back from the $45,000, and with this rollover, the BitNile holdings might lose a lot of its momentum. That's why we have to be very cautious. So, on top of that, let me pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its recent swing high to this swing low. And as you can see, we have roughly $1.09 price point at the range of 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. And this level is the first range of resistance. As you can see, it is the confluence with this the most recent price action at the beginning of February. And this range might act as a support / resistance. For now, definitely it will be a resistance because we are below this level. And this range might be a reversal point for the next leg to the upside if we will have it. So let me show you in details the recent movement of this asset, and let me switch to 15 minutes time frame. From this low, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool as well to this top, what do we have right here? We hit exactly the golden pocket pattern, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal, and from this level we went higher, let me show you, for more than 43%. Definitely it is a very good movement to the upside, but the price action by itself is quite tricky, and it is very harsh movement, I have to say. So what should we expect next? For now, we have the range of roughly 69 cents as our support line from the golden pocket. And if you want to enter the position with this asset, just do your own due diligence and remember that this asset is extremely volatile. This means with the high rewards you might lose the entire amount of your money. That's why just be cautious with any of your positions. So if you want to catch the next leg to the upside, and probably with the support of retail community we might see this movement to the upside, let me show you that the most conservative price target is right here. It is $1.09, and from current range we might have up to 43% of upside potential, and the stop loss should be roughly right here at 15%. So not the best risk to reward ratio of 2:1. That's why you have to be very cautious and accumulate your position on the movement to the downside. But if this movement to the upside was the first initial wave and we have this is our second wave, we have to project further targets. And for this case, I have to pull, let me clean the chart a little bit. I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And with the assumption that we have to land the top of our third wave. As you can see, our next target might be, the most probable range is at $1.51 price point. And in this case, the risk to reward ratio becomes more lucrative. We have about 86% of upside potential and only 15% of downside potential. And that is why you have to accumulate your position. If you want to have any positions with this asset, just accumulate on a movement to the downside if we will have it. And your upside potential will be even more profitable and you will reduce your risks. So I think from a technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around rock star in this life.